My name is Raheem Nelson, and I'm a menswear blogger and photographer. I discovered the Hobolite brand through Instagram and was intrigued by the ease of use and functionality. These lights were bought with my own money. My entry in the Hobolite system was their 8-watt micro light. I bought the master kit, which is basically the light plus modifiers, barn doors, and extra batteries. Its price starts at $159 for the basic kit. I would recommend this light for content creators and videographers. I personally use it primarily for portraits and still life photography. I'm new to lighting, but I've been shooting portraits for a while. The Micro is a bicolor light that is easily adjusted with 2 buttons in the back and also comes with a variety of lighting effects. I recommend bringing the light close to your subject, person, pet, or still life, to get the most out of it. For 8 watts, it's pretty powerful. My favorite modifiers are probably the red gel and the barn doors, since cinematic lighting is my thing. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.